Today's lesson is on simple expressions. Too often, when we're trying to give a facial expression on a character, we get too much into nuance and we lose track of what the expression is really only about. So, on the left hand, I've drawn some very simple emoji type shapes, right? Happy, a worried, sad face, a nervous face, and a confused face. So now I'm going to apply those same very basic shapes, kind of the curve of the eyebrows or which way does the mouth curve, and I'm going to put each of those into a more complex form. But I draw those on the left hand side, and honestly I will do this often if I'm trying to discover or stay true to a certain idea. I'm doing a panel for the book, for example. It's like this character needs to be joyful. So I'll make sure I have that little emoji expression on the side, and that will help communicate that idea and make sure I don't lose track of it. Sometimes we just get too much into the minutia and our drawing becomes mushy. It's neither here nor there. And you'll notice also on each of these expressions, you try to carry that expression throughout everything. It's something I learned from working at Disney and with the Disney artists, is everything can emote. So even the way I've drawn the hair with that nice crazy nervous face, kind of frightened, like the hair is accentuating that idea. And same thing with the sad on the number 2, how the hair is drooping downwards. So at the end, kiss it, right? Kiss. Keep it simple, silly. You thought I was going to say something else, didn't you?